With smartphones getting better and better every year with their cameras, it's no real shocker that everybody is using their cell phone to do videos and photography. And the camera lenses just keep getting better and better. They're good enough now that you could shoot a professional movie on one of these if you had the right equipment with it. They shoot very sharp, clear pictures, very steady, 60 frames per second, high def video. And so, like I said, it's no surprise that people are using these more and more for doing video. But of course, making sure you get the best possible quality with these is key. Today I want to show you guys a product that will help you improve the quality of your videos and photography. Hello everyone, my name is Andy and welcome back to CappTech, and today we're doing a review of the Dazzne smartphone video rig. Now this is a very sturdy device that allows you to mount your cell phone in here and to be able to hang on to it with both hands, so you got full control over this. It's made out of a very strong aluminum alloy, and so it's got a lot of weight behind it. It's not real heavy, but it's got a lot of weight behind it, so when you're holding it you can engage the rest of the muscles in your arms that adjust your fingers to be able to hold it, so you get this nice steady fluid shot when you're using this. And so today we're going to be doing a dedicated review of this. Now the link to this is in the video description down below if you want to go check it out, and of course if you have any questions you can let me know, and we'll just dive right into the review of this. The rig itself has 13 quarter-inch threaded holes along the top and along the sides, and at the bottom it has a single quarter-inch threaded hole and a 3/8 threaded hole. You can use these to attach to different kinds of accessories, or you can even use it to be able to mount it to additional video equipment such as tripods and sliders and timers and any other kind of video equipment that you would normally want to connect a camera to. You can connect this to the same way and give you a much more professional setup. At the top of the rig, you're going to find two standard shoe mounts. So these will allow you to be able to connect additional video equipment such as microphones or lighting equipment or any other kind of accessory you would normally equip with a video camera or a high-end DSLR camera, and that you may want to use with your cell phone to improve the recording quality. And thus you end up with a easy to carry recording studio that you can use for your cell phone to get good high quality video and photography. The clip that comes with this that you will use to actually hold onto your cell phone is made out of a thick plastic, and it's got rubber feeding on both ends to hold your camera in place or your cell phone in place. On the ends of it, on the back of it, is where the quarter-inch threaded mounts are, and this will allow you for various different kinds of orientations all along the rig depending on how you want to use it to be able to mount your phone. It also has a threaded screw to open and close it, and it opens actually quite wide to be able to put your cell phone in it. And so you'd use the quick plate screw that comes along with it and choose one of the quarter-inch threaded holes along the rig itself, screw the screw into it, it punches through to the other side, and then you can attach the cell phone clip to go along with it. It twists on there, tightens relatively tight, and then you just kind of wiggle it around to get it to the right orientation that you want it to line up with how you want your phone pointing. And then of course once you are ready to mount it, you just make sure it's open far enough for your cell phone to fit inside of it, clamp it into the rubber teeth, and give it a nice good tighten on the screw up the top to hold it in place. And the swivel out arm that's attached to this allows you to move your cell phone to whatever position you want to get the best possible angle without having to redo the mount every single time that you want to change shots. And then you are ready to start shooting. All you have to do is just fire up your cell phone, turn on the camera, and you are good to go. The rig allows you to maintain more control so that your video has a lot more stability to it, and you can use it while walking around and get much more steadier pictures and steadier video. You can even use the rig to mount your DSLR or your mirrorless cameras using the same mounting screw down here. Make it a lot easier to maintain control of your camera while you're taking video or photographs with a good high quality camera, not just cell phone cameras. So I'm actually really enjoying this rig for this specific reason. So that's my review of the Dazzne smartphone video rig. This thing is quite robust. It's very strong. The joints are really well put together and the rivets are done well, so there's no torquing if you're trying to move it along. It's made out of solid metal, so if you drop it and hit the ground, it's not going to break. Far more sturdy than any of the plastic ones out there that I've ever seen and messed with. I really do highly enjoy this and recommend it to anybody who's using their smartphones or their iTouches or anything like that to do video or photography. This will give you a really nice steady flow with your videos there, and I really do highly recommend it. Again, the link to the products in the video description down below, and if you have any questions about it, drop it in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out with it. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below the video, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss on future videos. Thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.